Hello, 你好. This is Dave from Wuxing Industry Company Limited. Today's video is about our latest portable electric scooter. The electric scooter is a full aluminum frame and easy portable, foldable and to the trunk. The scooter size is especially for adult people. As you can see, the size is much bigger than normal scooter. So let me check the length. The length here is 115 centimeters from front wheel to rear wheel, and the height is 120 centimeters, and the width is 47 centimeters. So it's totally an adult size. And here we have a bigger wheel, and the wheel diameter is up to 26 centimeters. Bigger wheel offers much better riding experience. It's more stable, and the passability is much higher than the smaller wheels. And the loading capacity on the adult scooter is 100 kilograms. The big size front and the rear wheels offers very stable driving, and is a tubeless tire. So let's turn on the power. Okay, one press is very easy. And on the front panel here we have a instant speed display on S mode, and here is a power display, and we can turn on the power here, turn on the headlight here on the front. My key switch, okay, turn off. Okay, and on the front bar on the left hand we have a mechanical brake. The mechanical brake is in the front, and also we have rear brake light, flashing light. It's also LED. On the side we have a yellow reflectors, yellow color in decoration, and you can also choose the color in red. The step body is very large, so we have a much bigger lithium battery space, so we can prolong the battery on more than 100 kilometers range on per charge. Here is a hook for folding, and on the right hand we have throttle, speed throttle. Okay. Very light. So, okay, that's all about today's video. For more information about our scooter, please visit our company website www.forscooter.com. You can also keep visiting our company Facebook page on latest scooter information. The Facebook page link is www.facebook.com/buyscooter. Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.